Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be checking out the JBL PartyBox Club 120, and let me tell you, if you're looking to turn up your party to the next level, this speaker is exactly what you need. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link below for the best price available today. The JBL PartyBox Club 120 is the ultimate portable speaker for any event. Whether you're throwing a backyard party, hosting a tailgate, or just need some high-quality sound for your next get-together, this speaker delivers everything you need in a powerful, easy-to-carry package. First up, let's talk about JBL Pro Sound. This speaker packs a punch with crystal-clear highs and deep, booming bass, making it perfect for indoor and outdoor use. The JBL Pro Sound gives you concert-like audio, whether you're pumping up the volume or enjoying a more laid-back playlist. You'll feel the music, no matter where you are. One of the coolest features of the JBL PartyBox Club 120 is its futuristic Lightshow. The built-in light effects sync perfectly with your music, adding an extra layer of fun to your party. It's like having your very own concert lights without needing a professional setup. The lights create an immersive environment that will make your parties unforgettable. Worried about the battery life? The JBL PartyBox Club 120 has you covered with up to 12 hours of playtime. Whether you're enjoying a long road trip or keeping the party going throughout the night, this speaker will last as long as the fun does. Plus, it's splash-proof, which means you don't have to worry about spills or a little rain ruining the mood. It's built to withstand the elements, making it a great choice for outdoor events. And if you're always on the go, you'll love the foldable handle feature. It makes the speaker easy to carry, so you can take the JBL PartyBox Club 120 with you wherever you want to go. Whether you're heading to the beach, a barbecue, or even just moving it around the house, the foldable handle ensures you can take this speaker on the move without any hassle. In terms of setup, it's super easy to connect your devices with Bluetooth. It pairs quickly, so you can jump straight into the fun without wasting time fiddling with wires or complicated setups. Overall, the JBL PartyBox Club 120 is the perfect speaker for anyone who loves high-quality sound and awesome lighting in a portable, easy-to-carry package. It's loud, fun, and built to last, everything you need to make your next event unforgettable. So, if you want to take your parties to the next level, click the link below and grab the JBL PartyBox Club 120 today. Trust me, you won't regret it.